Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add product categories in Shopify. So basically, let's just say if your category is about shoes, something like that, first you have to add your product. So go to products and then tap on add product right here. Make sure that your image or your photos are available. So you have to simply tap on the product, click add to product, and then you have to name it, let's just say shoes or men's shoes. Everything is up to you. Now, here in Shopify, there is this feature where you can just basically generate the definition of your product. But I strongly suggest to create your own definition of your product. So you can add the product name, generate or add the description. And then after that, as you can see, there is this upload button below or just upload right here. You just have to simply add your image, your photo, or your product. And then once you have added your product right here, and then you can add information about your product, like what is the size, or let's just say available color, and so on. So once you have changed, you have added the information of your product right here, you can tap on save. And then in order for you to basically categorize or add product categories in Shopify, you can try to add or select collection right here in the collection section. You can add categories. So basically, for example, for this collection, this one is men's shoes. So you can just basically add men's shoes and then browse, tap on your product right here. You can add more products if you want. Now, if you have women's shoes right here, you need to add a product of your women's shoes, like the image and the photos. Go to collection again, and then add a collection name like women's shoes, browse the product, and then basically that's it. So this is what it looks like, and this is how to add product categories in Shopify. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.